I was literally one click away from paying for Hypernatural AI. Then I made one more video with it. I'm glad I did, because that second test completely changed my opinion. The first time I used it, I honestly thought, okay, this is pretty cool. You paste in a script, pick a style, and it turns that idea into a video surprisingly fast. For someone who doesn't want to spend hours editing, that's a pretty good first impression. But first impressions don't tell you much. So the next day I tried making a real project, not a demo, something I'd actually consider publishing. That's when I started noticing the little things. The visuals were good, sometimes really good. Then every now and then I get a scene that just didn't fit, not terrible, just random enough that it pulled me out of the video. I ended up swapping a few scenes myself. Honestly, it only took a couple of minutes, but it's something I wish I'd known before trying it. Then I changed my approach. Instead of feeding it a finished script, I broke the script into shorter sections. Weirdly enough, the videos became much more consistent. I wasn't expecting that. That little change probably improved my results more than anything else. Now, can it replace a professional editor? No. If you're making high-end commercials or client work, you'll still want full control. But if you're creating YouTube videos, social content, or testing ideas quickly, I can absolutely see the appeal. The pricing, I'd only pay if you're publishing content regularly. If you're making one video every month, I'd probably stick with the free plan until you know you'll actually use it. So, should you buy Hypernatural AI? I'd say yes, with one condition. Don't expect it to finish your videos for you. Think of it as getting you 80% of the way there. That last 20%, changing a few scenes, adjusting timing, making it feel like your video, that's still on you. And honestly, once I stopped expecting perfection, I started enjoying the tool a whole lot more. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.